Axel does when I cover my hair. Well, hopefully he'll do it now. Hi! Hi! What are you doing? Come on!
Not good light.
Axel! Hi! What's the matter? What happened?
Oh, you're making a
Oh, you alright, hold on. It's Mommy. It's Mommy. It's gone. You hate that hat on, don't you? Oh. Mommy scares the baby.
Mommy's mean.
You don't like Mommy with the hat on. Well, with